Alright, so if you happen to be in the market for a digital tire inflator, something 12 volt that you can carry in your car with you, that's mainly why I just purchased this one. Actually, I purchased 3 of them, trying to rig out a few things for vehicles in my household, and putting some things together, and this came up. This one is made by the company Slime, which is a pretty well-known name. They originally got in the market with some tire sealant, but have since made a few different things. So one of the features on this I do like is that it has the digital readout instead of an analog. It has a light on the front. Your 12 volt storage is in the bottom side there. Cord wraps around nicely. And then your inflation tube is back here in the back, all stores up. And then it even has an adapter for like a flotation device or ball, football, basketball, things like that. They're small, lightweight. It's something that's easy to carry or keep in a small bag in the back of your vehicle, or maybe even under a seat. The model number on this one is 40051. I'll actually put a link to an Amazon link to purchase it in the description if you want to take a look at it. This is something that I'll get plugged up here, and then we'll turn it on, and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, so now we got it plugged into the vehicle and it is powered. You get your hose onto your valve stem. Everything's going to be backlit in green once the unit is powered on. Once you see the PSI that is currently in the tire, which is what it'll display, you can select your target PSI. So I'm going to add like 2 or 3 pounds to mine. And then once it stops blinking, the target is set, rather. Power the button on there and the compressor will start working. Like I say, it is set at a target rate, so it will stop whenever it reaches that particular PSI, which I have on mine is 35. So this is something you can walk away from, go sit in the car, whatever you need to do, and don't have to worry about it overrunning or overheating. It's got the light on the front there if you need any help with lighting at night while you're doing this. And this is live time here, so it'll kind of let you know how long it takes to do 2 or 3 pounds in a full-size car tire. But once it hits its target PSI, it will shut itself off, and you can wrap everything up and you'll be good to go.